Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues or problems that you have on Skype. To know how to find a solution about Skype, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll search about the application of Skype. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we go to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can go to Play Store. If you'll find here in this blue sign update, then you can click to update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.